Hi, I'm Marna, and I bought a Samantha collection, an American Girl Samantha Collection, piece by piece. And I am so thrilled. I can't tell you how thrilled I am. I got the doll on eBay, and I did not pay that much for her. And we cleaned her up and tightened her. She was loosey-goosey. But we got that tightened up, and I cleaned her up, and this is how I did it. Samantha came with no clothing or anything. It was just the doll, and the doll was in, well, I didn't pay a lot for her. And I found this little dress on eBay. It is actually a summer dress that came with a hat that matched, and you can see that video of how I changed up a bunch of these different dresses. But I wanted this one for her because it kind of matched her original outfit that she came in, as close as I could get. Then I bought a little hat at a hobby store, and I took the bow that was on the, I think it was on the hat, and I put it on this hat and fancied that up, and I left the ribbon long. I thought it was cute, kind of that feel. I was in an antique store, and I found this book. I don't know what I paid for it, but it wasn't a lot. And it is the original American Girl Samantha book, which I think is so cool. And I found this little girl on eBay. I did not pay much for her. She came without shoes. And what I did is there is I think it's an 8-inch BJD doll that they offer clothes for. And I bought it to see if the shoes would fit. They came with a bunch of outfits and the little shoes. And the outfits and the shoes do fit the miniature American Girl dolls. On eBay, I also found this dress, which I think is a lot like the birthday outfit that Samantha had. And I'm trying to remember what it came with. I think it came with the lace at the top and at the waist. And I lifted that and I think I did. Maybe I put the lace. I don't know. I added either lace or ribbon. It's been a while. And these little flowers around the neck. At another antique store, at a garage sale, I found for $2 these Samantha paper dolls. And look at this. Everything is here, including the instructions. The dolls here, her little outfits are here. I think there's some over here that have not even been cut. Oh, these are sceneries. Just adorable. I'm excited about that. I'm glad to add it to my collection. And then, to my surprise, we went to another antique mall, and I found this old desk complete with the inkwell hole cut out, and it is heavy. If you're familiar with the Singer sewing machines, that's what it's made like. And I thought that was adorable. They were having a half off sale. It was marked $4, so I got it for $2. And I just thought that was fantastic. It is so much like the one that Samantha would have had in 1904. So little by little, I have a full Samantha, or American Girl Samantha collection that I am just tickled with. Oh, and I meant to say I bought her tights and her shoes, let me pull her back out, on eBay. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.